اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning and welcome distinguished guests, the administrators of Institute for Technical Education and Skills Development, in short, ITESD, members of the faculty, fellow graduates, and most importantly, the incredibly proud families here today. It's a pleasure to be here on a momentous occasion. At long last, this moment has finally arrived. We have reached our graduation day and we are overjoyed to finally celebrate this occasion. We have all been eagerly waiting for this day for so long, and now it's finally here. It is a cherished and highly anticipated moment of immense joy and pride as we graduate and embark on the next phase of our journeys. Indeed, this could have been done without our administrative staff's constant support and guidance. Let us acknowledge them for their devotion and commitment to our success. We stand at the precipice of a new chapter. This graduation ceremony marks not just the end of our journey, but the exhilarating launchpad for a future brimming with possibilities. It is with immense pleasure that I welcome you to this momentous occasion. On this truly joyous day, we celebrate a milestone in our journey. We celebrate not just the culmination of our studies, but also the development of values and skills that will guide us throughout our lives. Together, let us commemorate this occasion with joy and pride. Let us take a moment to reflect on the journey that has brought us to this point. Each one of us has been on a unique journey. Moments of hardship, grappling with unfamiliar concepts, and the unyielding desires to quickly become proficient in the new skills and techniques. But amidst the struggle, we have also experienced successes, the absolute contentment and the immense gratification of finally understanding and to become proficient of the skill itself. In the process, we have learned to become resilient, improving ourselves into the art of caregiving, and discovered hidden strengths within ourselves that we may have not known existed. A heartfelt thank you is due to the dedicated admins and our most talented clinical instructors. The most magnificent Ma'am Faith, the most outstanding Ma'am Alexa, and the most cheerful and funny Sir Vincel, who always brings the joy whenever he teaches us. You are the architects of our success. Your commitments went far beyond simply imparting medical knowledge. You instilled in us the invaluable gift of understanding the art of caregiving, the ability to emphasize, understand, and to relate to our patients and provide the necessary care. You nurtured our adaptability, preparing us for the ever-shifting currents of and provide the necessary care. You nurtured our adaptability, preparing us for ever-shifting currents of caregiving and healthcare field. Your patience with our questions and doubts, big and small, and your belief in our potential, and even when we doubted ourselves, fueled our drive to persevere. For that, we are eternally grateful. I would also like to mention the most cutest and the most handsome, Sir Joven Abdullah and Galit, and his beloved wife, the most sexy Ma'am Helen Tania Valencia Torrero, the full names for you now. Your vision and leadership in shaping this school into remarkable institution deserve immense gratification, immense recognition. Your dedication to providing a nurturing environment that fosters learning and growth has blossomed into this graduating class. Thank you for creating a space where we could not only develop technically, but also grow as individuals with a strong work ethic and a thirst for knowledge. I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to my classmates. My favorite thing ever. Giving me such a warm welcome when I first joined the class, and for making me feel at home. Your kindness and warmth have made such a significant impact on my adjustments to this environment. And I appreciate your efforts in making me feel included and supported. Thank you all for making me feel at home amongst you. I am truly grateful to have such wonderful classmates who have welcomed me with such openness and kindness. Thank you, guys. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my most sincere gratitude and appreciation for my parents over there. This is a day I will never forget, and I am thankful to have them in my life. They have supported me throughout all my ups and downs, and their encouragement has been a great source of strength for me. They have always been my biggest supporters and my strongest anchors. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, Mama and Abby, for all the support and assistance you have provided me throughout the years. I am forever amazed by how much you have done for me and how much you have sacrificed to make me who I am today. I am truly grateful for your unwavering, unconditional support and love. Your guidance and advice have been invaluable. I am truly blessed to have you as my parents. As we stand on the threshold of our journeys, let us remember that the skills we've honed are but the foundation. The world of the healthcare settings and caregiving is a dynamic entity, constantly evolving and demanding continuous learning. Let us embrace this challenge with unwavering curiosity and remain inquisitive learners, constantly seeking to broaden our knowledge and adapt to the ever-changing needs of industry. Remember, the knowledge and skills we receive here in IT-ESD is not the final destination, but the springboard that propels us towards fulfilling careers. Today, we stepped out into the world armed not just the practical expertise we've gained from our training, but also with valuable lessons on teamwork, compassion, and the drive to continuously learn and grow. We are prepared to face the challenges we will encounter and help bring relief and comfort to those who rely on our skills and knowledge. In our role as nurse assistant caregivers, we must be willing to work together, overcome obstacles, and be open to learning and growing to provide the best care possible. With these tools, we can create a positive impact on those we serve. Don't you guys agree? We are a graduating class bound not just by the shared experience, but by commitments to excellence. Let us use these bonds to support one another as we navigate the professional world. Let us celebrate each other's successes and offer a helping hand when faced with challenges. As we embark on the journey ahead, let us carry the values and skills we've learned here in IT-ESD, embracing the challenges and opportunities that await. With patience and determination, let us look forward to building a brighter future together. Congratulations once again to the graduating class of IT-ESD, Jeddah Branch. This is a moment of immense joy and celebration, not just for us, but also for our families and loved ones who have supported us on this journey. Let us cherish our memories and accomplishments during our time here and look forward to creating new achievements and experiences. The world needs us and we are ready. Finally, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude for the opportunity to speak today. As the valedictorian, it's an honor to stand here and give this speech. Your support and attendance have been truly invaluable, and I hope that you've all enjoyed the day. Let today be a reminder that dreams do come true and accomplishments are worth celebrating. Thank you so much.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, we have just heard Ms. Reham Manoti Maurag, graduate of Batch 2024 with distinction. A big round of applause for her.